Today we talk about Oppo A3 Pro. Its launch on April 2024. The body dimensions of Oppo A3 Pro: height 6.4 inches, width 2.92 inches, thickness 7.9 mm, and the weight is 182 grams. The build: front and back glass or eco leather back and the aluminium frame. The display type is AMOLED 1 billion color and the screen size is 6.7 inches. The screen to body ratio is 89.4%. The resolution is 1080p. The refresh rate is 120 Hz with 950 nits of brightness, and it comes with Panda Glass protection. The platform: it comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7056nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78, GPU is Mali G68, and the memory of this device: it comes with 8 plus 12 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of this device: it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 64 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it's record 4K 30 fps video with main camera. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel. Let's talk about the battery of this device. It comes with 5000 mAh battery and it supports 67 watt wired charging, no wireless charging and 10 watt reverse charging. The common and the feature of this device: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint, infrared port, UFS 3.1 and IP69 dust water resist rating. And the price of Oppo A3 Pro is $300.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.